on. So here we're going to install the Windows Vista. So in here in Windows Vista, we use the default settings. So we're gonna wait to boot this. So as we can see na nag-boot na siya. Yan. Full default lang po tayo dito. Default lang siya. Yan, setting the default. So we are going to add the partitions of the So just set to the default settings, default partitions. Kung may makita po tayo dyan na default lang din yung So yan, nag-put na siya. So in here, we already set up. Pinulit natin siya. Yan, makita natin siya. So in here, just after this, after mag-loading is, we're just gonna wait. So here, we're just gonna wait this. So ano nga pala, yung Windows Vista, ito yung it's higher than XP, no? So here we just boot the computer. Yan, hintayin natin mag-loading to. So updating and completing the installation. Completing the installation na siya. So yan, hintayin natin mag-loading. It's gonna take a while but it's okay. So yan, nagbuta po siya. So we're going to the yan. So we're just gonna set up our name. So our name is Alan Jovan Porte and we're going to yan. So we set up the time. After we're setting the time, hintayin na natin siya mag-boots and it's done. Yan na, it's getting things for yan. It's done. Yes. So thank you for watching our video. So hope you learned something about the installation of Windows Vista.